Okay, hello students. Hello students. With our last three classes, where with the module 4, that is classification, and respectively we have come across with three different kinds of classifications there. Okay, or algorithms or classifiers you can call them. One happens to be the decision tree induction. The second one happens to be the rule-based classifier. Like a third one, with our last class we have ended out with k nearest neighbor algorithm or a classifier there. Okay, this happens to be our last classifier of this particular module 4, and that is Naive Bayes algorithm, or as you can call it as Naive Bayes classifier also. Okay, so usually there are problems which are based on this particular classifiers there. Okay, so the problem which deals across with this is, so now you can just consider the following respective data and find the classification for prediction of the fruit by the properties. Okay, now like for example, some fruit is given to you, okay, and they have asked you to choose according to some properties they have given you, and they have asked you to find out to which particular fruit is it. Okay, now these are the names of the fruits that can be mango, banana, others. Okay, so these are properties. Now yellow is a property, sweet is a property, long is a property. Okay, so yellow happens to be the values with 350, banana 400. Okay, so just a random values there. Others are with 50. Okay, totally with respect to yellow it is with 800. Okay, you have in all. Okay, for sweet it is 450, 300, 100 respectively. Okay, and it tends across with a value called as 850. Okay, for longness, so mango is 0, banana is 350, others is 50, so total it is 400. Okay, so whereas the total leading across with the mango are with 650, total of banana are 400, others are of 150. Okay, totally it goes across with a value called as 1200. Okay, that's a sample space, total sample space. Okay, so first of all, get to know for this Naive Bayes algorithm or else a classifier. Okay, it goes according to an probability. Okay, so probability classifiers it is. Okay, now like for example, usually it has been given by this particular formulation which I have written here. It is P, okay, A of B. Okay, so it is being given as probability of A when B is true, or else if B is true. Okay, what is the probability that if B is true, the probability of A is given by probability of B, okay, if A is true into probability of A, the whole divided by probability of B. Okay, this is given out by probability of B if A is true. These two are given respectively as probability of A and probability of B. Got to know? Probability of A. Okay, now like for example, if I consider probability of mango, okay, and if I consider at the same time of being yellow, okay, so it is nothing but probability of mango being yellow. Okay, so wherein that is equals to probability of, okay, yellow. Okay, so wherein I go across with an formulation, okay, which says yellow, okay, of being across as a mango, okay, into probability of, it goes across as probability of A. Probability of A is nothing but, in our case it is mango, divided by probability of yellow. Okay, so this is how we are doing in formulation for each and everything. Okay, now like for example, what is your very first step in this? Okay, first step is always keep in mind, it is something like you have properties with you, you have different fruits with you. Okay, so based on those properties or else based on those attributes, you will see that whether that fruit is matching those properties. Based on that, you say that this so and so fruit is matching these properties, so that's why it is called out as mango, or else that's why it is called out as banana, or else that's why it is called out as others. Okay, so this is how we will be doing it. Okay, so for to do that, okay, what is your very first step is, your very first step is you have to find these set of probabilities for the fruit called out as mango. Now when you are finding across for a mango here, okay, so that's why at that time always keep in mind, mango is an encapsulation of all these three things together. That is probability of yellow, okay, being a mango, probability of sweet being a mango, probability of long being a mango. Okay, that togetherly gives you that the fruit belongs as a mango there. Okay, now individually I have to find for probability of yellow of mango, probability of sweet of mango, probability of long of mango. Okay, got to know? Okay, so when I find them individually, then later I will multiply them and then I'll come across with the probability of any fruit being mango there. Okay, so come across here probability of yellow, okay, with mango. Okay, how it has been given now? Probability of mango, okay, probability of mango when yellow is true into probability of yellow, okay, as a whole divided by probability of mango. Just go according to this formulation. That's all. I'm not doing anything new here. Okay, that's all. Okay, so I'm just saying it as it happens to be probability of yellow. Okay, saying that it's mango, that is equals to probability of mango that it is yellow into probability of yellow the whole divided by probability of mango. Okay, so for this you can just go according to the values and just prefix them, use them in that. Okay, so what is probability of mango now? Probability of mango being yellow. What is the probability of it? It is 350. Probability whenever you are giving, it is given out by the sample value divided by total sample space there. So it goes accordingly as 350 by 800. Got to know? 350 by 800. Okay, into what is this? Probability of yellow. What is probability of yellow? Probability of yellow is overall how many, if I take, because I'll be taking totally how many of yellow values are there? It is 800. Out of how many? It is 1200. So that's why you are taking it as 800 into 1200. Okay, 800 into 1200. The whole thing divided by probability of mango. What is probability of mango? Go across in this way, row wise. 650 divided by 1200. Okay, so when it's a division operation, when I take it reciprocal of it, it becomes as 350 divided by 800 into 800 by 1200 into 1200 comes above and 650 goes below. Okay, if as a whole, if I go across, so there are so many 800 gets cancelled, 1200 get cancelled, so ultimately I'll be left off with 350 divided by 650. So it gives me a value called out as 0.53. Just you can also do it, okay, using a calculator. Now comes, this was our very first property of yellow. Okay, similarly calculate out for sweet. Okay, I'll give an example another here. For sweet, and it tends to be mango, true to be mango. Okay, how we are giving an formulation? It goes accordingly as it's equals to probability of mango when it is sweet. Okay, when sweet is true into probability of sweet, the whole thing divided by probability of mango. Okay, so for mango being sweet, just go accordingly. Mango being sweet, it is 450. Out of what? 850. Okay, got to know. Okay, 450 out of divided by 850. Okay, probability of sweet is totally 850. 850 divided by 1200. 850 divided by 1200. Okay, into, that is reciprocal. Okay, probability of mango. What is probability of mango? It remains the same. It is 650 out of what? 1200. Okay, so it goes accordingly as 1200 divided by 650. So it will be in all equal to 450 divided by 650 there. Okay, you will get an value as 0.69. Similarly, calculate across for your probability of long for mango. Okay, I'll repeat out for this because next to two you fellows have to do it out by yourself. Okay, probability of long of being mango. It is probability of mango being long into probability of that is long, okay, divided by probability of mango there. Okay, so it goes accordingly as probability of mango being long is 0. Okay, so 0 divided by what? 400. Got to know? 0 divided by 400 into 400 divided by 1200 divided by, as a whole, you are dividing it by 650 divided by 1200. Okay, if I calculate it as a whole, as 0 has come, so ultimately your answer turns out to be 0 there. Okay, now comes as a whole, these were 3 individual properties. Okay, now we have to totally calculate for mango. Okay, how it is calculated now? It is multiplication of all these attributes. Encapsulation of all these 3 gives you probability of any XYZ fruit being mango. Okay, so that's why I'll take in calculation as 0.53, okay, into 0.69 into 0.0. It will lead me to a value called out as 0. Okay, similarly go with your next step and calculate for banana. Yellow, okay, banana being yellow, you'll get a value. Just do it according how I have done here, the same way do it across here. you'll get it out for banana as, for yellow it is 1.0, for banana being sweet you'll get it as 0.75, for banana being long you'll get it as 0.875. Okay, how I am totally encapsulating it for banana, it is multiplication of all three. If I multiply them all togetherly, I'll get it as 0.656. Okay, similarly for others. Okay, for others, okay, being yellow, for others being sweet, for others being long. Okay, you have values here. Okay, just replace them, that's all. Okay, when I replace it for others, I'll be getting it as 0.33, 0.66, 0.33 respectively. Okay, as a whole, when I'm calculating it for others, I'll get it as 0.07. Okay, so what are my respective values now? One value I have got it as 0. Okay, one more value for, that is for mango, that any X fruit, okay, being mango is 0. Okay, any X fruit being banana it is 0.656, and any X fruit being others is 0.071. Okay, now see through these values. Okay, which do you find is an higher one? Okay, so and greater value is 0.656. So ultimately we conclude that any respective X fruit is classified to be as banana only because the value what we have found is greater. 0.656, it is 0 and it is 0.071. Fine, got to know this. Okay, so this completes across with your one is with my last class I have said across with your KNN there. Okay, that's with your nearest neighbor. Okay, so similarly you are even coming across with your Bayesian classifier also. Okay, that's a Bayes theorem which we are using there. This is a Bayes theorem which says probability of y of x, okay, probability of x of y, p of y divided by p of x. The same things are taught here in theoretical way. The same thing I have taken across with practical. Okay, I hope so you all fellows have got to know with this. Okay, if any queries or anything, you can just comment me in the comment section or else message me personally. Okay, thank you.